Now, I want you to imagine making $183,000 every single month. Now, these are my YouTube earnings. Unfortunately, it's not over a month's period. I've been on YouTube for a while. I've got multiple channels and I make nothing near that every single month. But on this video today, I want to show you the laziest way that you can absolutely crush it and get paid hundreds of thousands of dollars with one of the easiest methods. And take a look at this. These types of channels, guys, are making anything from $172,000 a year all the way up to $2.8 million. And this is worldwide. It's absolutely possible. And all you need to get started is your mobile phone. You need very little equipment and it's absolutely for free. If you want to make insane money with the laziest ways and you want to get started today, keep watching. What's up, you guys? It's Alan here again from the Smart Money Tactics channel, where I post reliable content every single day to teach you how to make money online. If this is the first time you've come to my channel, go down the bottom, hit that subscribe button, turn on all the notifications, and I'll make sure you get notified every time I post a brand new video to help you make money online. That way we can make money online together. So today, guys, I want to show you the laziest way that you can start online without having a website, without being on camera, without any fancy equipment. All you need is your mobile phone, guys. So stick with me for 10 minutes. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can double down so that you can make even more money online. So today, guys, I want to show you these different channels where people are crushing random things to make a ton of money online, and all these channels are monetized. If you haven't seen this concept, then I want you to make sure you watch this entire video. If you have seen this concept, then I want you to stay to the end of this video because I want to show you how to double down and make even more money. So what are these different videos and how do they work? Well, basically what people do is they get different types of crunchy things. They crush them with their cars, they crush them with different things, and they get an astronomical amount of views. Take a look at this. This video over here was posted a year ago, 33 million views. Look at this video, guys. This video was posted 1 year ago. It's got 188 million views. This video is an 11-minute video compilation of crushing different things. Let me show you what an 11-minute video with 188 million views accounts for in dollars. Let's just say that this video's CPM is about $1. You get 188 million views and you divide that by 1,000, okay? This equates to 188,000, guys. At $1, that means that this one video has the potential to make someone $188,000, not including any of the other videos they have made. This is why these channels are absolutely crushing it, and I want to show you how you can get started. But views are the biggest question when it comes to stuff like this, which is why I want to show you how to do this, guys. Now, when we take a look at some of these channels, this channel over here is called Life Hacks and Experiments, and basically, guys, they're 2 to 1 minute and 50-minute videos. Look at this, 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes. This is crazy. You can film this on your mobile phone, and let me tell you something, you can film a week's worth of content in one single day. You don't even need a thumbnail because these guys are using just the footage that they filmed as their thumbnail. This is insane, guys. And when you have a look at this, not only is this insane, but their title is exactly the same. Crushing crunchy and soft things by car, experiment, and then they'll add whatever they're crushing. That's it. And I do this over and over again. And when we click onto any one of their videos, let's go to this video over here. And the crazy thing about this stuff, guys, I'm just gonna mute this over here because all you're basically going to be hearing is them crushing jelly and crushing different things. And when we scroll down here, guys, this is all they have in their description. They don't have anything else in their description other than promoting another YouTube video, okay? And when we scroll down here, I'll show you how to organize these tags so that you can rank your videos as well. And when we take a look at this channel over here, guys, and we scroll down here, we can see that this channel is making anything up to $2.8 million. If you halve this, guys, and take a medium of about half, it's about $1 million a year. Call it $500,000 a year. They're not doing anything to make this money. This is crazy. And when you scroll down here, they're having $1,000 days, $500 days to $6,000 days, and they're getting 44 million views every 30 days. People love this stuff. I don't know why. They love to listen to these different sounds, but this is not, you know, a one case type scenario. There are other channels that are doing this over and over again. There's so many of these different types of channels that are doing this, and I found this one over here. It's called Experiment at Home. Again, they're crushing different things. Look at this, 2.1 million views, 457 million views, guys. If you scroll down here, 533,000 views. This is crazy, and they're absolutely doing nothing but crushing things and doing silly things, and you can do this and you can get started straight away. And this channel here as well, again, look at this, guys, anything from 15,000 to 242,000 every single month. So how are you going to create these videos? How are you going to get views? And how are you going to double down to make even more money? Well, these are all the big questions. The first thing that you need to do is you need to obviously create a channel. The second thing that you need to do, guys, is you need to go out and you need to film this content on your mobile phone. You don't need any fancy filming equipment, and you just need things to crush. From there, what you want to do is you want to come over to this site over here. It's called clidio.com, and from here you can compile all your videos, or what you can do very easily, the videos that you have filmed on your phone, you can just upload those. But if you want to create longer compilations, you can use this site over here. Click onto Video Maker, upload all your videos, and create a very simple video. All you need to do is choose the files and upload those videos onto YouTube. Now, in order to rank these different types of videos, you want to be using a site like vidIQ. This is absolutely free. There is a free version, there is a paid version, and there is a free version. The free version will get you out of trouble, and all you need to do is come to any one of these different videos over here. Let's say if we click onto this one over here, I'm just gonna pause this and show you exactly what they used in their tags. Now you can start this and you can start using very similar titles as well. That's number one. And number two, guys, you can take a look at what tags they're using, and you can copy these tags so that you can get YouTube pushing your content to a very similar audience. Now from there, guys, once you've got your vidIQ set up, once you've got your video, then you can start uploading and absolutely crushing it. Now, all the videos I had a look at, guys, are monetized and they're making a lot of money. But how are you going to double down with this? What are you going to do to make even more money? How can you drive this traffic on your brand new YouTube channel? Well, believe it or not, guys, I went out and I had a look at TikTok, and take a look at this. I found people doing this on TikTok, and they're driving the traffic back to their YouTube channels, and their YouTube channels are also blowing up. These videos on TikTok, again as well, guys, 22,000, 119,000. If you scroll down here, 73,000, guys. They're getting hundreds of thousands of views, and some of these videos, take a look at this video over here, 1.3 million views, 2 million views. I mean, this is crazy, guys. And if you scroll down here, this person hasn't been on there for that long, 3.6 million views, 45 million views, and they're driving all this traffic back to their YouTube channels. This profile over here from TikTok, when you scroll down here, he's got a lot of videos. Some have 1,000 views, 5,000 views, but look at this, 1.2 million views. And actually, this profile doesn't actually have a lot of views. It has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 videos, okay, guys, and one of the videos has 1.2 million views. Once you drive the traffic from this channel over to your YouTube channel. Imagine your video gets 1.2 million views, and in the link they can see that you're driving this traffic back to your YouTube channel. You're going to get so much traffic back onto your YouTube channel where you're driving this traffic, and you can absolutely crush it, guys. And YouTube is monetizing these channels because it's your own content. It's a form of comedy, it's a form of ASMR, and YouTube sees this as your own individual content, and believe it or not, they're actually monetizing it. But you do need to get 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to apply for the YouTube Partner Program. Now, ranking videos, guys, and doing all the stuff with videos and looking at analytics takes a little bit of time to learn. I've gone out and I've learned all this stuff, which is why in the description of my video over here, I've got a course that I've created with another YouTuber by the name of Greg. He has a channel called Caffeinated Blogger, and we have created this course over here to help you succeed on YouTube. Once you click onto this, it's going to take you over to a page that looks like this. Enter in your details over here, guys, and once you do that, you're going to come over to this video over here, which is going to show you exactly how we make money on YouTube. From there, if you decide to sign up, guys, you go into our private Facebook group where we can help you succeed on YouTube. We'll give you advice when you ask us for it. There's other creators on there that you can ask questions. We want to help you succeed, and if you want to help and you want to start crushing it with the laziest ways on YouTube, guys, click onto this link over here. Learn everything you need to about setting up everything you want on YouTube, how to monetize, how to rank, how to get your 1,000 subscribers, how to get your 4,000 watch hours. And from there, guys, that'll give you the opportunity to start making a lot of money on YouTube. Guys, thank you so much for watching another one of my videos. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button in appreciation, and don't forget to watch this video over here right now of another way that you can make a lot of money online. Until tomorrow, I'm Alan from Smart Money Tactics. You guys take care of yourselves, and goodbye.